to disable face unlock on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap biometrics. Tap face recognition. Next, enter your current screen lock. Since this phone is using pattern, then draw the pattern. Now, tap the blue on off switch next to face unlock until the switch turns gray to turn it off. When you disable this option, you will not be able to unlock your phone with your face. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.